Doing all right with this?
Yep.
Awesome. Hey, it's Dr. Colby back in motion, your St. John's chiropractor. Today I'm with Parker. Parker is a bodybuilder. He also plays a lot of pickleball. His dad's actually getting close to a professional pickleball player. So, and with pickleball and working out, he has some issues in his neck and his mid back. So we're going to do some adjustments, a full spine adjustment today, and get Parker feeling good.
Sir.
All right, let's have you on your stomach, Parker, and get you ready for a good week. I'll take that hat for you. There we go. All right, scoot up just a little bit for me, Parker. Perfect, right there. And Parker's been hitting the gym super hard. He's getting up there in weight. Have you squatted 400 pounds or?
Oh yeah.
Dang, yeah, he's. Did you play football growing up?
Oh, I did.
Which position?
Played wide receiver.
Oh, dang. You're like defensive end now.
Yeah.
So this first technique we're doing is called lumbar flexion extraction. This is a really good stretch on the low back. Helps open up those discs, open up those joints. Him and his family own a inspection company, so they do a lot of time seated, driving, going out the properties, and this is a really good stretch. Helps open up those discs and joints, keep them healthy, and keep that spine strong. How's this feeling, Parker?
Really good.
Awesome. All right, we're gonna add in some muscle work, okay? Start out with our low frequency. This feels really good. If anything hurts, you let me know, okay?
Yep.
Have you had that pickleball tournament yet?
It's next week.
Oh man. So you're playing a lot this week?
Yeah, played every day so far.
Dang. You're gonna be a 4.0 soon.
Yeah.
Your dad gonna upgrade it? Caleb's
Yeah.
3.75.
He has me at 4 right now.
Oh heck yeah! So you must be.
Grinding it out.
Are you guys doing like an intermediate or advanced tournament or just a?
It's 3-5.
Okay.
So, but it's mixed doubles.
And you're playing with your niece, aunt.
Yeah.
Is she pretty comparable?
Yeah, she's 3-5.
Nice.
Should be fun.
Yeah, we'll get the hypervolt. Start working on those traps. Get the low back nice and loose, and then work our way up. And which courts you been playing at?
When? Going off San Jose.
Oh, nice. How many courts do they have?
6.
Public?
Yeah, public.
Oh, nice. Contender right there?
Yeah, very.
A little bit right through there?
Yeah.
A little bit right in there.
Yeah.
It's too much to let me know. I know
No, it's
we're blasting it hard right now. Right in there.
killer.
Not as bad on this side, definitely. Right-handed.
Yeah.
You
Phenomenal.
see those new paddles with the holes in it?
Yeah, I did see that.
Those look sick.
It's like the circular one.
Yeah, it's like the Selkirk with the.
This guy had it yesterday when I was at the courts.
I'm sure Caleb will be getting it soon.
He just got a new one.
Oh, he's committed.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you some good adjustments to this right there. You adjust a lot better at the wood, so we'll just kind of stand up a little bit, and then there we go. Let's have it on your side, facing me. All right, Parker, back leg straight. This leg back, good. There we go. Already getting some good stuff. Doing all right with this?
Yep.
Awesome. Right there. A little more right there. Good. Let's have it on your other side. I got some good ones there.
Yeah.
So tournament's this Saturday?
Yep.
Oh, heck yeah. Like hopefully some good weather this week, and weather's been awesome. Oh man, that was a good one. That was a real good one.
Yeah, it was.
Have you on your back. I already got some there. All right, just drop that arm. There it is. Is the tournament at Flynn?
No, it's at Treaty.
Oh, nice. All right, that's grand finale. Let's get some good ones.
Yeah.
All right. Just like that, partner. I'm going to roll you forward. Right there. All right. Big deep breath in for me. And you sit up.
Oh, holy.
That was a big one.
Oh. Holy crap.
There we go.
The one.
That was the one. There we go. Yeah.
That was the one.
All right. Ready for a good Monday?
Yeah.
All right. It's Dr. Colby back in motion. Have a good day.